everyone, welcome back. So today we're unboxing the Lumiman smart light bulb, so let's check it out. Okay, that is a very clean packaging. I really like that. And then that's useless stuff. Alright, so in here we have this very clean packaging. I really like the modern design of it, which is really cool. It shows that the brightness goes up to 800 lumens, which is really cool. And the estimated energy cost per year is 0.9 cents. No, wait, not 0.9. 0.9, would you say $0.9? 90 cents per year, which is really cool because you don't have to pay much for your electricity bill and it'll help you save. So this connects to Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and the app is available on the App Store and on the Apple App Store and on Google Play, which is cool. So let's check out the contents inside. Okay, so first of all we have a user manual. This describes your phone information, like how to connect to the app. They have an app for this that you can download on your phone and you can connect your device. Okay. Ooh. So this has a very nice clean design to it and it has a nice weight. That's cool. So this should be able to turn into like the RGB colors. So you should be able to turn it into whatever color you want. And I really like the design of this, so that's cool. Alright, so now we're just going to set the light bulb up and see how it works. So one quick thing, this does last a very long time because it's an LED. So based on 3 hours a day, it can run for 28.6 years, which is a very long time. And the light appearance is 2500 to 9000 K, which is cool, from warm to cool. And the energy used for this would be 7.5 watts. So let's plug this in and see how it turns on. If I can even get this in here. Which way is this supposed to be? Okay, yeah, that's my fault. I'm plugging it in the wrong way. Okay, now we should be... Okay, that is bright. That actually is pretty bright. Okay. So over here, there's an app you have to download to connect your smart light bulb, and there's a QR code on the manual that you can use to download the app, which is cool. It's called Plus Minus Smart Home. So I already downloaded it. So let's open this. Once you download the app, you're asked to set up an account. So that's that. And then you add a device, you go to lighting. You're supposed to use 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi on this because it doesn't support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, but 2.4 gigahertz is good enough for a smart light bulb. Like, you don't need that much for a bulb. So, yeah. I need to put in my Wi-Fi password. Okay, I'll pause this. Just get this here. Alright, so once you put your Wi-Fi password, it asks for this. Power the light bulb and wait for 10 seconds. Turn it on or off. Oh, so once you get the actual light bulb, I plugged it in at first, it automatically started blinking. So that was when it was waiting for it to be connected. But and then it just became a steady light. But here it shows you how to fix that. So I will be fixing that right now. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 2. There we go. And no, there we go. So you have to do it 3 times, turn it on and off. So yeah, let's go next. Connecting. So yeah, it'll basically be connecting to the Wi-Fi router and such. Alright, so once it detects the smart bulb, it comes up as on your device list. So Let's see. Window type I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. I guess my air conditioner also works with this. So this is a smart multicolor bulb. It should come up here once you add the device. It should be automatically detected. So that's cool. Let's just put this at default. Alright, so now it's there. If I come over here. Okay, so basically on the app, you should be able to change the color of the light. This should be RGB and turn it on and off from the app. So let's check this out. Oh, I really like that it dims on and off. Okay, that's really cool. Now, let's try to change. Ooh, that changes live as you're changing it on the app. That is really nice. And then over here, you should be able to change the brightness of the bulb. So that's changing the brightness. And then you should also be able to change the warmness. So from like the lightest blue to more of a sunlight orange over here, as you can see. So that's the sunlight orange, that's the brightest. And then this is the dullest, which is pretty cool. I really like that. And then when you go to schedule, you should be able to add a schedule, like in the morning. Like you can set it up so that when you're in the morning, it'll just turn on automatically with the schedule at whatever time you want. And then there's also scenes such as gradual. You could turn on like this normal scene, it'll just be changing all the time, which is really, really cool. Now, we should be able to add an Amazon Alexa smart integration. So I will be signing up with my Amazon account. Let's just pause this for a second. Okay, sign in. Not now. Allow. Okay, so apparently it shows that it's already linked with the Amazon Alexa. I did download the app from the other video that I did before, so that's cool. Now we should be able to go back. And Alexa, turn off the bulb.
Okay, by the way, going forward I could give shorter replies. Would you prefer that?
Never mind. Shut up. Okay, so that's really cool. You can control it from Alexa. So, Alexa, turn on the bulb. Alexa, turn on the bulb.
Okay.
That's cool. Alexa, make the bulb blue.
Okay.
Now it's just blue. So you can basically control it from wherever you want. So that's really cool. So you could be like, Alexa, make the bulb white. Well, that didn't hear me. Alexa, make the bulb white. Yeah, I keep tapping this, that's why. But yeah, so this should be able to be integrated with your Google Home, your Alexa, and you should be able to change the color to whatever you want, which is really cool. Alright, so let's test out how the color changing works. So I just want to see how bright this thing gets and how well it looks. So this is green. It looks pretty nice. So yeah. Alexa, make the light blue.
Did you mean smart mutacolored bulb?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that looks pretty cool. Alexa, make the bulb yellow.
Okay.
That is very bright. It's like the sun, pretty much. Alexa, make the bulb orange.
Okay.
Cool. It's almost red, basically. Alexa, make the bulb red.
Okay.
That is very red. Alexa, make the bulb purple.
Okay.
And one less color. Alexa, make the bulb pink.
Okay.
Cool. So the colors do get very bright, and they actually do look pretty nice. So that's cool. So here's a close look at the bulb. It looks like a pretty standard bulb that you would find in every house. And I really like the sound design down here. It looks like you're editing a video or something. And then here's the Lumiman brand, and yeah. So there are also scenes that you can play from your device. So basically, you'll be able to play a different scene based on your mood. So let's say there's a Halloween theme. So you'll be able to play this theme, and it'll basically give you sort of like a Halloween vibe to your room or your decoration, to whatever you have. And it should be able to change color every time. So that's pretty cool. And then we also have this, let's wait for the Halloween theme a little bit more, that's cool. And then we also have this Valentine's Day theme, which is really nice. So these are preset themes, so you should be able to play them like with whatever mood you have. And then we also have a Christmas theme, so that's nice. And there's also other things like gradual, like a gorgeous theme. So it'll just cycle through a bunch of colors and it'll sort of give your room a different vibe to it. So that's pretty cool. Thank you for watching. I'm Ibi, and also don't forget to check out my merch and the product link in the description down below. And also don't forget to subscribe. I hope I'll see you in the next one.